Dear students, in the last video we finished with the naming of alkanes with the substituents more than one type or same substituent coming more than once. Now what if we have a substituent with another substituent? What does it mean? That kind of substituent is called as complex substituents. So let's discuss about the rules. Say for example, we have this type of compound. So this is the compound. Now here the longest continuous chains which are possible is one is this straight chain. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. The other possibility of the longest chain is like we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So now if we select the longest continuous chain is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, the another chain which is possible as the parent chain is this is again longest continuous chain, right? Now which of the two should be selected? Both of them. If we select this as a parent, the other possibility is also there, like we can have this also as a parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, like this. So the other chain which is possible as the parent chain is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So all these chains are containing the same number of carbon atoms. Then which should be selected as the parent chain? The when more than one carbon chains with the same number of carbon atoms are possible to be selected as the parent chain, then the parent chain which contains maximum number of substituents should be selected as the parent chain. What does it mean? Like if we go with the first example, there is only one substituent, ye wala pura. If we talk about the second one, there are two substituents. What are these? One is this, other is this. If we go for the third one, then again we have two substituents. What are these? One is this, other is this. So in the second and third, the number of substituents are two. So that is why any of these two, either second or third, should be selected as the parent chain rather than the first one. Why is it so? What is the rule? What rule states? According to the rule, if there are more than one carbon chains possible with the same number of carbon atoms, then the carbon chain with greater number of substituents should be selected as the parent chain. So either second or third should be selected as the parent chain. And if we do so, what should be the name of the compound? This is methyl, this is propyl, right? And how should we number it from? We should number it from the lower carbon atom, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This way we should do it. Why is it like this? Because in this way, this is following the lowest set of locant rule. So methyl is at number 2 and propyl is at number 4. Propyl. Why propyl? Because it contains 3 carbon in continuation. 3 carbon in continuation means word root is going to be prop. And because coming as a substituent, that is why we use a suffix, that is "il", propyl. Where this propyl is present, it is at number 4. So what should be the name of the compound? Name of the compound is 2-methyl 4-propyl heptane. So the name of the compound is this: 2-methyl 4-propyl heptane is the name of this compound. So this is how we can name it. Now I am talking about the complex substituent. Now let's do another example. Say for example, if the compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, say this kind of chain is there, and we take 1 2 3, so this type of compound is there. Now here we can have only one chain as the parent chain, which is the longest one, and what is that? That is this chain is the longest chain. We can have many other longest, we can have many other continuous chain, but they are not longest. So this is the longest continuous chain, so should be selected as the parent. Now how many substituents are here? How many substituents are here? Only one substituent. Where is that substituent? If you mark the substituents, is this one, right? Now here this substituent is called as complex substituent. Why this substituent is called as complex substituent? Because in this substituent, so there is another substituent present. Like how can we say it? Like you can see here that we can take this as the parent chain in the substituent. So ether and this is what, this is the substituent present on this carbon chain of two carbon atoms. So how should we name it? Here if we go with the major one, this is 2 carbon ethyl or ethyl में methyl present है. So what is the name of this is going to be? The name of this is methyl ethyl. This is methyl ethyl. And where this methyl ethyl is present, it should be numbered in such a way so that the substituent gets the least number. So we'll start it numbering as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If we'll number from right, then definitely it will be getting more position, or you can say higher position. That is why this should be the preferred one. So what is the name of the compound? It is methyl ethyl. And for 8 carbons, what is the word root? Octane, right? So and where this methyl ethyl is present, this methyl ethyl is present at number 4. So we'll write 4 methyl ethyl octane. Methyl ethyl will be written in the bracket. Whenever we have a complex substituent, we write the name in a bracket of that substituent apart from remaining IUPAC name. Let's do one more example of the same kind so that it will be more clear. Say for example, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 or 4 7 8 9. Say this kind of compound is there, and we have 1 2 3 4. Here is another carbon. So we can see the only chain which is possible as the parent chain is this, containing maximum number of carbon atoms, and the substituents are present somewhere here. If we see the substituents, they are present like this. This is the substituent. Now in this substituent there is another substituent, that is this one. So this is what, this is the another substituent. Now how to name this substituent? In the substituent, always keep in mind the carbon which is directly bonded with the parent chain is always considered as number 1. So this is one carbon selected with this, selecting with this one carbon, we have to select the longest continuous chain. So it is of 1 2 3 carbon atoms. It can be taken 1 2 3 carbon atom anyway, but you may take like this. So 3 carbon atoms के लिए word root is prop Ile, and propyl में at number 2 the methyl is present. So what is the name of the substituent is going to be? It is 2-methyl propyl. 2-methyl propyl is the name of the compound, sorry, name of the substituent. So it is 2-methyl propyl, and because it's a name of the complex substituents, that is why it should be kept in a bracket. Now this entire one is present at which position? We have to number the carbon atoms in the parent chain also to find it out. So how is it going to be? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the substituent is present at number 5. Now we may number it from this side also, like it may be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we should pay attention when we are doing it from right to left. Then the substituent is present at number 6. But when we number it from left to right, the substituent is present at number 5. So which is to be preferred, number 5 or number 6? 5. So that is why it should be 5. What should be the name of the compound? It should be 5 2-methyl propyl decane. This is the name of the compound. So that is how we can name the aliphatic hydrocarbons. In that also a special category, that is alkanes, we finish with. Rest will continue in the next class. Thank you.